Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, second day in this beautiful Laguna Beach house. Got this rustic white oak floor. We are refinishing. Got a lot done yesterday. I'm gonna turn this around. Let you see the beautiful ocean. We're gonna go in. I think the machines are going, but it is already looking beautiful. So remember how yellow it was. Now we're down to the raw wood. Just beautiful, beautiful. Ignore the noise. Here's what it used to look like. So you can see the difference of how yellow it was and what it's going to look like. It just changes the entire house. Come on, no one wants to see the floor. We all want to see this view. Nobody wants to have to wake up to this every day. Anyway, so this is pretty much it right there. It's what's the more we sand it, the prettier it gets. The finer the sandpaper, the prettier it gets. So